Guys, Parallaxox here, and today we're going to be making a GUI that changes text every few seconds. So first we need to make the GUI, so add a screen GUI into this starter GUI, add a frame in that, and then you can resize this frame to how big you want. I'm just going to make it on the top corner right now. And then inside the frame, add a text label so we can add text. And then make the text label as big as the frame is. Okay. After you do that, in this text label, you insert a script. So script, insert one in there. Delete the print hello world. Okay, first I'm just gonna local GUI. That's not. Why is it messing up? Local GUI equals script dot parent. I didn't spell local right. I'll fix that in a second. Script dot parent. I just fix the local because I forgot the A for some reason. Go script dot parent. Okay. Then just put a while true, dude. So while it's true, and true is always true, so it won't ever stop. Okay, then we're gonna do GUI dot text equals whatever you want the text to be. I'm just gonna put yeet because yeet. Okay, and then you wait however long you want to. I'm just going to put 5 seconds. Then change the GUI text to oof. We're just going to change that to oof because oof. Okay, and then I'm just going to wait 5 seconds. So you can make this as big or as long as you want. You can change the wait times to as long as you want, or you can keep adding words down and down as far as you want, as many words as you want, but I'm just going to keep it at 2. So I'm just going to run the game. I'm not going to like play the game because this makes things harder. I'm just going to run the game. There we go, it's going to run. Now if you look at the text label, it didn't work. Wonder why. Hold on. Let's figure out why it didn't work. GUI.text. Oh yeah, I forgot. Don't put the script in the text label. Actually put the script in script service. And then you actually have to change this GUI thing. Script.parent, change it to game.starter GUI dot screen GUI or whatever your thing's named dot frame. Well, actually not dot frame. This dot text label. Okay, and then we just play that. If we just go in here and run it, it should work now. See, as you can see, it changes to yeet, and then after 5 seconds it'll change to oof, and then it'll change back to yeet after 5 more seconds. That's how it works. You can make it as big or as long or as short as the way you want. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one later.